You are good. You are good. And we've come to say you are good. You are good, oh Lord. You are good. And we've come to say you are good. Everybody sing along. To say you are good. Everybody testify. You are good, Lord. And we've got to say you are good. Does somebody have a testimony this morning that God has been good to them? Do you have a testimony this morning? Come on, let me see you sing that song as if it is your own. You've been there, and we've come to say you've been there. You've been there, and we've come to say. Him. Open up your mouth and just begin to worship Him. Adore Him, magnify His name. Open up your mouth and worship this God. Open up your mouth and worship the great I am. Open up your mouth and just adore Him. That you are worthy of our praise. You are worthy of our worship. Adore this King of glory. Raise up your hands to the heavens, and all the praise go back at you. He has given you wealth. He has given you health. He has given you health. For who is like unto you, O God? You are holy. You are holy. Worship you. Worship you. Worship you. God is great. God is mighty. He's the lifter of all men. Draw your attention to Him right now and worship Him. My daddy, your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting of eternity. My daddy, your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting to the end of eternity. My daddy, your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting to the end of eternity. Open up your mouth and sing, my daddy, your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting to the end of eternity. Do you know what that song means? It means that you're speaking to your Father, that you're raising your worship to Him, that you will be dancing to Him, that you will be shouting to Him till eternity. I want you to sing with understanding. My daddy, shout to Him. I will be singing, Lord. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting to the end of eternity. My daddy, your baby's here. I will be singing and dancing and shouting to the end of eternity. Lift up your hands and worship Him. Worship Him. Worship Him. Open up your mouth and my daddy, your beloved is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting to the end of eternity. Calling out to your name, my papa, your beloved is singing. I will be singing Somebody came here with the fear of tomorrow, the fear of your destiny. This song is yours. This song is yours. Oh, Lord, you surround me with a soul.